Hey, it's Lindsay here with Stackable Sensations, where we create unique brand recognition. This week is all about color. Did you know that certain colors can have a more calming effect, while others can be viewed as more aggressive? You may think about just using your brand colors for all of your marketing promo swag. However, you might want to consider branching out and using different colors to convey different messages. Let's take a look at the Pantone trending shades for spring and summer 2022 and how to utilize them in your next marketing campaign. First up is Skydiver Blue. Blue is known to promote feelings of calmness and serenity. Wearing the color blue is often seen as a sign of stability and reliability. Research even shows that people are more productive when they're surrounded by blue decor. It might be a good idea to select blue apparel items. However, you may want to avoid blue for kids or promo, as it's been known to be an appetite suppressant. In fact, some weight loss plans even encourage you to put your food on a blue plate because the thought is that you will actually eat less. Next up is basil green. Green is known as the color of nature, and it's often associated with health and well-being. In fact, a research study once showed that if you take a candy bar and put it in a green wrapper versus a red wrapper, people automatically assume the candy bar in the green wrapper is healthier, even though it's the exact same candy bar. People often associate basil green with relaxation and tranquility. This is the color to use when promoting eco-friendly initiatives. You might also want to use this color for wellness products like candles, soaps, and anything natural. Basil green also pairs really well with wood grains like bamboo. Next up is the bright popcorn yellow. Yellow is a go-to color when you want to quickly grab someone's attention. It's seen as a symbol of energy and excitement. However, you do want to use yellow sparingly. High quantities of yellow can be really fatiguing to the eye. But when you use yellow correctly, it can be a home run for your marketing campaign. Stand out on a cloudy, rainy day with a yellow rain jacket. Wear a soft yellow when you want to promote a sense of warmth and cheer. Bubblegum pink is the color you want to use when you want to communicate friendliness. Pink is known as the color of compassion and sincerity. It's a non-threatening color and provides an immediate sense of calm. Use this color with your more playful products and when you want to promote a sense of caring. This one might not seem like an exciting color, but poppy seed gray is trending, most likely due to the pandemic. Gray offers a sense of familiarity in a world that seems unfamiliar. Gray also represents being neutral and balanced. You want to use the color gray when you want people to feel secure. We recommend using gray for new hire gifts, as it can be a really anxious time for somebody who's just starting their new job. And finally, let's talk about the color of the year. I happen to be wearing it. It's periwinkle. You might notice a striking similarity between the color of the year and our Stackable logo. Here at Stackable, we like to offer creative and unique solutions that create happiness. Periwinkle is actually known to be the color of creativity and confidence. This is the color that you want to use when you want to encourage the use of your imagination. It's as playful while also being professional. We hope you found this video helpful. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel. And for a deeper dive into topics like this and to see new trending products, be sure to join our email list at stackablesensations.com. You'll also get a first look at some monthly promotions. Be sure to follow us on social media for even more tips and tricks. We'll see you next time.